Hi everybody, this is Juhi again, Jawahar Alvi. I am the Clinical Director of BASIS, Behavior and Special Educational Services. And I wanted to bring some activities for you guys today, and I wanted to show you how we can do some more activities with our kids. So some of the activities that I had for you was sorting animals by class. So this is an activity that goes along with one of the domains of Abel's R, and it is B19. So this was a very neat activity that I got from Teachers Pays Teachers store again, and it's a free activity. Everybody can download it. It says sorting animals by class, and just when our kids are home, we can download this activity. And after we download this activity, there are like different kind of categories in there. So the first one is forest animals. So there are all the forest animals. So you can cut the forest animals, and you can also laminate them. And after you laminate them, you can make them like the child sort them out. So they are sorting it by a category, and the category is of forest animals. The next one is the category for pets. So they can also sort by pets, and here you go. So you can actually make it laminate it, put Velcro strip in it. You can provide it to them, and you can ask them. You can actually provide them in a setting of 2, and you can say, hey, sort, let's do the pets, and let's do the forest animals, and then they can sort it into the category of the pets and the forest animals, right? The forest animals. Okay, the next one is farm animals. So this is also really cool. So I took it off of there and I made them like this. So again, you can make this strip and you can cut them, and they can also do a Velcro strip with it. So it is called as farm animals. So now first you can have them first sort into a category of 2 items, which is sort into category of 2, forest and pet. And then later on, when you see that they are doing that consistently and they are able to do it without any issues, then you can bring 3 in an array, and you can make them sorted into 3, which is farm animals, pets, and then forest animals. And the fourth one that I have is zoo animals. So again, it's made the same way. You can laminate it, put Velcro on it, and they can actually take it off and put it back in. So what I would suggest is that first of all, you start with a domain of 2. So maybe first you can make them sort out the pets and the forest animals, and then you can make them sort out the zoo animals and the farm animals. Then you can make them sort out the zoo animals and the pets, and then you can make them sort out the farm animals and the forest animals. Then you can bring out 3 categories at one time and make them sort out into an array of 3, which is any array of 3. And once you see that the child has mastered this, then you can bring them out into an array of 4, and the array of 4 is going to be these 4. And now you can make them. So these are different activities that you can do with this. So first it is going to be cutting, then it's going to be laminating, Velcro. First you can start with 2, then 3, and then 4, and then you can also mix and match them up so that the child is able to actually discriminate between one category of the animals to the other category of animals. So this was one activity that I wanted to bring up to you guys. I hope that this made sense to you, and I hope that this will be helpful in these times when our kids are mostly at home. If there are any questions, comments, if you guys want me to make more videos of activities, of certain activities, please let me know and I will be more than happy to do that. I wish you all best of luck. Stay safe and stay healthy.